श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किय केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सत्तां सदाहृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्थलिकास्यम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्रान्नबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवं प्रपद्ये विशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीया दयालङ्काक्षाः स्तोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं शरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुं व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजे पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुद्रे मुद्रेखेन षण्णः सम्लानश्रीरमृतविशुधेरंशुविप्लावयन् मामाविर्भूयादनगमहिमा मानसे वागदीशः। Same sentences what they have learnt yesterday without meaning here. It is flashing here without meaning. One with meaning or without meaning? Swami, suggestion. No?
I didn't படிக்க சொல்லலாமா?
படிக்க சொல்லலாம். With meaning வேணுமா without meaning வேணுமா?
I didn't with meaning இருக்கலாம் நீ. எப்படி வேணா தேர் எப்படி
நான் பசங்க சௌகரியம் தான்.
வித் மீனிங் பரவாயில்லன்னு சொல்றது.
வித் மீனிங் அதான். வித் மீனிங் வந்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு வித் மீனிங் வித் மீனிங்
While we wait, யாருக்கெல்லாம் படிக்கணுமோ please put down your name in the chat. We will just take note and follow you in the same order.
Yeah. Screen ready. பசங்க படிக்கலனா படிக்கலாம்.
In Prahlada Varadan, then followed by Anantashri.
Yeah.
Adiyan. Gajaha chalati, an elephant walks. Gajaha charanti, elephants walk. Balakaha patati, a boy reads. Balakaha patanti, boys read. Purushaha yachati, Purushaha, a man gives. Purushaha yachanti, men give. Tapasaha japati, astics utter. Tapasaha japanti, astics utter.
Very good, very good. Utter.
Again, Dhanasmi Swami.
Mangalani Bhavantu.
Anantashri, you can read next.
Again, Jai Shri Sudarshana. Gajaha chalati, an elephant walk. Gajaha chalanti, elephants walk. Balakaha patati, a boy reads. Balakaha patanti, boys read. Purushaha yachati, a man gives. Purushaha yachanti, men give. Tapasaha japati, aesthetic, aesthetic utters. तापसाः जपन्ति. Ascetic utters.
Very good.
Gajah.
Very good. அடுத்தது மனோகிருஷ்ணி படிச்சாச்சு. ஒருத்தர் படிக்கட்டும்.
Shrinish can read.
Again?
Yeah, you can read.
An elephant walks. Gajaha chalanti, elephants walk. Balakah patati, a boy reads. Balakaha patanti, boys read. Purushah yachati, a man gives. Purushaha yachanti, men give. Tapasah japati, ascetic utters. Tapasaha japanti, ascetics utters. Then you see.
Very good, very good. Okay, next page. Swami?
Next. No, next Paula audio.
Next.
Siddharth followed by Vinata, then Kshiraja. Next three: Siddharth, Vinata, and Kshiraja.
Again. Lata pushpyati. A creeper puts forth flowers. Lataha pushpyanti. Many creepers put forth flowers. Bala vatati. A girl speaks. Balaha vatanti. Many girls speak. Lalana gagati. Lalana chagat gachanti. Gachati.
Lalana gachati.
Lalanaha gachanti. Many ladies go. Prabha patati. Prabha reads. Prabha patati. Many Prabhas read.
Okay. Next.
Vinata, you can read. After this, Kshiraja, please unmute yourself and read after Vinata finishes.
Again. Lata pushpyati. A creeper puts forth flowers. Lataha pushpyanti. Creepers put forth flowers. Bala vadati. A girl speaks. Balaha vadanti. Girls speak. Lalana gacchati. A lady goes. Lalanaha gacchanti. Ladies go. Prabha patati. Prabha reads. Prabhaha patanti. Prabhas read.
Very good, very good, very good.
Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
Lata pushpyati. A creeper puts forth flowers. Lataha pushpyanti. Many creepers put forth flowers. Bala vadati. A girl speaks. Balaha vadanti. Many girls speak. Lalana gacchati. A lady goes. Lalanaha gacchanti. Many ladies go. Prabha patati. Prabha reads. Prabhaha patanti. Prabhas read.
Good reading, ma. Good reading. Yeah, give it up.
Tadu Sudarshan.
Again. Lata pushpati. Lataha pushpyanti. Bala vadati. Balaha vadanti. Lalana gacchati. Lalanaha gacchanti. Prabha patati. Prabhaha patanti.
Very good. Swami, 3 பேர் படிச்சிட்டா இல்லையா?
படிச்சிட்டா. So whoever is reading, read it with the meaning. With the, that is why given. So meaning oda padinga whoever is reading. 3 பேர் படிச்சிட்டா அப்படிங்க.
Okay, அடுத்த பேஜ்.
அடுத்தது ஸ்ரீஹரி, சாத்விக். After Srihari, Satvik can read.
Adiyan, கேக்குதா?
என்ன கேக்குதா?
Pushpam patati, a flower falls. Pushpani patanti, flowers fall. Nayanam spurati, an eye flutters. Nayanani puranti, eyes flutter. Mitram likti, a friend writes. Mitrani likati, friends write. Ratnam jvalati, a gem glitters. Ratnani jalanti, gems glitter.
Very.
Next, Satvik, you can read.
Adiyan kekada?
Anna kekada.
Pushpam patati, a flower falls. Pushpani patanti, flowers fall. Nayanam spurati, an eye flutters. Nayanani spuranti, eyes flutter. Mitram likati, a friend writes. Mitrani likanti, friends write. Ratnam jvalati, a gem glitters. Ratnani jvalanti, gems glitter. Adiyan Janmasmi.
Okay, very good. Mangalani.
Satvik, does Tavish also want to read or only yourself? Tavish padikkanuma illa only Satvik?
Tavish wants to volunteer later, I think. He's busy now.
Okay, no problem. Thanks. Next, Shraddha and Shravan.
Ariyan kekada?
Anna kekada.
Pushpam patati, a flower falls. Pushpani patanti, flowers fall. Nayanam spurati, an eye flutters. Nayanani spuranti, eyes flutter. Mitram likhati, a friend writes. Mitrani likhanti, friends write. Ratnam jvalati, a gem glitters. Ratnani jvalanti, gems glitter.
Very good reading. Yeah.
Pushpam patati, a flower falls. Pushpani patanti, flowers fall. Nayanam spurati, an eye flutters. Nayanani spuranti, eyes flutters. Mitram likhati, friends writes. Mitrani likhanti, friends write. Ratnam jvalanti, gem glitters. Ratnani jvalanti, gems glitters. Again, Dhanyasmi.
Very good. Mangalani.
Adiyan இதே படிக்கலாமா?
இன்னும் ஒருத்தர் படிக்கிட்டோம். அடுத்தது போலாம்.
Aditya, you can read.
Adiyan Aditya.
Pushpam patati, a flower falls. Pushpani patanti, flowers fall. Nayanam spurati, an eye flutters. Nayanani spuranti, eyes flutter. Mitram likhati, a friend writes. Mitrani likhanti, friends write. Ratnam jvalati, a gem glitters. Ratnani jvalanti, gems glitter. Yes, Danyos.
Very good, very good, very good. அடுத்தது.
Shamakya, Archit and Meghna, you can read this slide one after the other. Thanks.
Hare Jai Shri Krishna. Tvam pathasi. Yuyam pathata. Tvam kshipasi. Yuyam kshipatha. Tvam tyajasi. Yuyam tyajatha. Tvam gumphasi. Yuyam gumphatha.
Very good, very good. Meaning ma?
Adiyan.
Tvam pathasina, you read. Yuyam pathatana, you all read. Tvam kshipasina, you throw. Yuyam kshipatha, you all throw. Tvam tyajasi, you give up. Yuyam tyajatha, you all give up. Tvam gumphasi, you string a garland. Yuyam gumphatha, you all string a garland.
Very good, very good, very good.
Adiyan kekarga.
நல்லா கேக்குது. சொல் படிமா.
Tvam patasi, you read. Yuyam pathatha, you all read. Tvam kshipasi, you throw. Yuyam kshipatha, you all throw. Tvam tyajasi, you give up. Yuyam tyajatha, you all give up. Tvam gumphasi, you string the garland. Yuyam gumphatha, you all string the garland.
Very good, very good. மங்களானுபவம்.
Tvam patata. Patasi. You read. Yuyam patata. You all read. Tvam chikasi.
Tvam
You throw. Yuyam shipata, you all throw. Tvam tyajasi, you give up. Yuyam patata. Tyajati, you all throw. You all give up. Oh, you all give up. Tvam gumpati, you string a garland. Yuyam gumpatha, you all string a garland.
Very good, very good.
இன்னொரு படிட்டு மாடி.
படிக்கட்டுமா? படிக்கட்டும். ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் முக்கியமானது.
ஓகே. வரத விஷ்ணு, you can read.
Adiyan.
Tvam patasi, you read. Yuyam patata, you all read. Tvam kshipasi, you throw. Yuyam kshipasa, you all throw. Tvam tyajasi, you give up. Yuyam tyajata, you all give up. Tvam gumphasi, you string a garland. Yuyam gumphatha, you all string a garland.
Very good, very good, very good.
Danyos Marian.
Danyos. Next.
Again, Tavish, you can read.
Again, aham likami. Vayam likamah. Aham.
Tavish, read the English meaning also.
Okay. Aham likami. I write. Vayam likamah. We write. Aham davati.
Aham
davami. I run. Vayam davamah. We run. Aham namami. I bow. Vayam namamah. We bow. Aham kadami. I speak. Vayam.
No. You have to change the meaning. No, meaning is there wrong.
What is the meaning?
Khadami. What is the meaning? Yesterday I taught you. Khadami. I eat.
Okay, again. Kada. Aham kadami. I speak. Vayam kadamah. We speak. Again, then you speak.
Very good. Yeah. Where?
Tavish padichachu. Just 1 second again. Ramya Hiranmayi SM117.
Again.
Aham likami. Vayam likamah. I am right. We write. Aham tavami. Vayam tavamah. I run. We run. Aham namami. Vayam namamah. I go. We go. Aham kadami. Vayam kadamah. I speak. We speak.
இல்ல aham kadami. I eat. I eat.
I eat. We eat.
Okay. Hello?
Again?
Again, Swami.
Swami. போதுமானே
எல்லாரும் படிச்சுட்டு ஒரே நிமிஷம் அடியன். Sarang, you can read.
Again. Aham likhami. I write. Vayam likhamah. We write. Aham dhavami. I run. Vayam dhavamah. We run. Aham namami. I bow. Vayam namamah. We bow. Aham khadami. I eat. Vayam khadamah. We eat. Again, then.
Very good.
Anyone else who hasn't read, who would like to read? Aparmayan. I can see only 1 or 2 who haven't yet volunteered. In case you want to, please let us know. Otherwise, we will just start from the same order if there is more reading to be done. Adiyan, இன்னும் படிக்கிறதுக்கு இருக்கா அடியன் இல்ல?
இல்ல அவ்வளவுதான், அது முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இனிமே சென்டென்சஸ் தான். இன்னும் நான் வந்து இன்னும் வேற சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுக்குறேன் நான். சரி. அது எல்லாரும் whoever has volunteered has already read அடியன். ஓகே. எல்லாரும் படிச்சிட்டா. சரி. இப்போ வேற நாம போலாம். அடியன்.
Again, I want to read.
You want to read?
Yes, again.
Padima. Read.
Aham likhami. I write. Vayam likhamaha. We write. Aham dhavami. I run. Vayam dhavamaha. We run. Aham namami. I bow. Vayam namamaha. We bow. Aham kadami. I eat. Vayam kadamaha. We eat. Then you have made it.
Very good, ma. Very good. Just stop பண்றேன். Stop பண்ணிட்டு வேற நாள். நேத்து எடுத்து வச்சேன் வாடகைன்னு. இன்னைக்கு புதுசா ஒன்று கண்டுதான். இதுவே தான் சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்மேஷன். I'm going to introduce you some words. They are indeclinable. Okay? What are it? Shulma.
See, Arun, don't unmute yourself unless you are called to do so. And படிக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து you will be called in the same order. So இப்போ நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி முதல் ரவுண்ட் படிக்கிறது அதே மாதிரி அந்த ஆர்டர்லயே திருப்பி படிப்பேன். And your sir will explain what he is trying to say. So please be patient and don't unmute yourself and speak.
Okay. Now I'm going to teach you. I'm going to introduce you some sentences. Abhyayas. What are abhyayas? What are abhyayas? Abhyayas means indeclinable. In English, they are called indeclinable. You know what is indeclinable? Indeclinable. Here some indeclinables are given. Api also. First let us read. Okay? Api also. Okay? Api also. Tu but. Atra here. Athava or only. It's actually athava or not only. Okay, only is wrong. Athava or. Eva only. Adhuna now. Ekada once. Ekada once. Na not. Cha and. Ataha so. Idanim now. Idanim now. Adya today. Kutra where. Tatra there. Kada when. Okay. Again, I'm going to read. I will read the words once again with meaning. I want some of you to read this so that we can go for the exercises. Api also. Api also too, but atra here, athava or eva only, adhuna now, ekada once, na not, cha and, ataha so, idanim now, adya today, kutra where, tatra there, kada when. Okay, we have to learn these things as it is. They don't have, these words are not declinable. Declinable, like we cannot classify them into masculine, feminine and neuter gender. No singular, no plural in this. They have to be used, these words have to be used as it is. They have to be used as it is. Okay, we cannot decline like Ramaha Ramo Ramaha, Balaha Balo Balaha, like that we cannot say. So they are called indeclinable. We cannot decline them. Okay. Now I want some students to read this.
And we'll follow same order as how you
Yes.
read. So Prahlada Vardhan, Ananta Shri, Shrinesh, Siddharth. You can see on your screen. Please unmute yourself accordingly and read. Don't read out of turn.
Again, api also too, but atra here, adava or evam only, eva only, aduna now, ekada once, na not, cha and, adaha so, ataha so, idanim now, adya today, today, kutra where, tatra there, gada kada when. Again, Denius Miss Swami.
Very good, ma. Very good.
Ananta Shri, you can read.
Api also too, but atra here, athava or eva only, now, ekada once, na and
no or artham undu, not no artham undu ma. For example, what is your name?
Ananta Shri.
Ananta Shrihi patati, Ananta Shrihi na patati. Okay, not reading. Okay, good.
Na, not, cha, and, ataha, so, idanim, now, adya, today, kutra, where, tatra, there, kada, when. Again, Danyas Miss Swami.
Very good, ma. Very good, ma. இன்னும் ரெண்டு பேர் படிக்கிட்டோம் இத.
Again, Varadarajan, you can read. And after that, Shrinesh can.
Again, Varadarajan.
Padima.
Api also too, but atra here, adava or eva only, aduna now, ekada once, na not, च अतः सो इदानीं now
अद्य
today कुत्र where तत्र there kada when.
Very good. Very good. இன்னொருத்தர் படிக்கிற சார்
Shainesh, you can read. After that, Siddharth.
Api also too, but atra here, atva or ev only.
Eva, not ev. Eva.
Only. Aduna now. Ekada one. Na not cha and atah so idanihi now. Adya today. Putra where. Tatra there. Kada when.
Very good.
Again.
Api also too, but atra here, atava or eva atuna now, ekata one, na not, cha and ataha so. Idani now.
Adya.
Adya.
Today. Putra. Tatra. Kada.
When. Very good. Swami, மேல sentence போலாமா?
Again.
For now, testing for you. I will do 1 or 2. Okay? எடுத்தோடனே டெஸ்ட் கொடுக்குறேன்னா 2 eva. Okay, you want meaning, right? Let me write it. Okay? I'll write the meaning so that you can 2 but. Okay. Eva only. Tatra here. Tatra there. Api also. Okay. Now you have to guess which one will come in the blank. Okay. Surekha likati. Surekha is the name. First, let me explain all these 5 sentences. Okay, so that you can guess the answer. Surekha likati. Surekha writes. Surekha is a girl. Okay, writes. Sureshaha dash likhati. Surekha writes. Suresh writes. Something missing here. Okay, don't tell the answer now. Just guess. Chhatraha khelanti. Chhatraha khelanti. Students play. Rameshaha dash tishtati. Ramesh stands. Which one will come? You have to choose. Okay? Out of these 5, you guess yourself. Chhatraha khelanti. Children are playing. Rameshaha dash tishtati. Ramesh stands. Aham atra patami. Aham atra patami. I study here. Atra means here. Aham atra patami. Balika dash patati. Balika reads dash. Okay, I think you have guessed. Okay, balakaah dash patanti athava likhanti. Athava means or. Or balakaah, children, patanti, read, athava, or likhanti, write. Children read or write. Okay, what will be the answer here? Adhyapakaah dash patham pathayanti. Adhyapakaah, teachers, patham, lesson, pathayanti, teach. Teachers teach the lesson. Any guess? Anybody can try any number. Wait. Yeah. Name please.
Aditya.
Aditya, 1 second.
Someone's voice came first.
Anantasri, you had volunteered. You can go first. After that, Aditya can go.
Yeah.
Adiyan. Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati.
Very good. Then.
Chhatraah khelanti. Rameshah atra tishtati.
No. Two will come here. Okay? Yeah, here it is correct. Atra. Okay. Rameshah api likhati. Wait. Likhati. Okay.
Surekha likhati. Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati.
Very good. Chhatraah
khelanti. Rameshah tu tishtanti.
Tishtati. See, but Ramesh is standing. Aham
atra pathami. Balika tatra pathati.
Very good. Next.
Balakaah.
Watch. Only two are left now. What are left now? Eva is left and what is left? Atra. Only two are. What should come here?
Balakaah atra patanti athava likhanti.
Very good. Now only one miss left now.
Adhyapakaah eva patham pathayanti.
Very good. Now read all of you one by one. 2 or 3 students read this. And I need meaning also. Okay?
Wait a second. So, generally we were following the same order as before, but since this is a new lesson, whoever is volunteering now can read, because we don't want to call upon whoever did before or force them to read. So, please volunteer. Next, Aditya.
Try to tell the meaning. Try to tell the meaning.
Adiyan Aditya. Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati. Chhatraah khelanti. Rameshah tu tishtati. Aham atra pathami.
Aditya, 1 second. So please tell the meaning also.
Okay, Adiyan. Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati. Surekha elzara. Sureshah mu elzara.
Okay.
Chhatraah khelanti. பசங்க விளையாடுறாங்க. ரமேஷ து திஷ்டதி. ஆனா ரமேஷ் வந்து நிக்கறான். அஹம் அத்ர படாமி. நான் இங்க படிக்கிறேன். பாலிகா தத்ர படதி.
Very good.
அவ அங்க படிக்கிறா.
Very good.
பாலகாஹ அத்ர படந்தி அथवा लिखन्ति. பாலகா பசங்க வந்து ஒண்ணு படிப்பாங்க இல்லைன்னா எழுதுவாங்க.
ஓகே.
அத்தியாபகாः ஏவ பாடம் பாடயந்தி. டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பாடம் மட்டும்தான் நடத்துவாங்க.
டீச்சர்ஸ் தான் பாடம் நடத்துறாங்க.
டீச்சர்ஸ் தான்
ஓகே ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட்.
அடியன் தன்யோஸ்மி.
Shiraja, you can read. Shiraja, are you there? Again, கேக்கல ஒரே நிமிஷம். Srinis, please. Srinis, you can read.
Adiyan. Adiyan, am I audible now?
Yeah.
Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati. Surekha writes. Sureshah also writes. छात्राः खेलन्ति. रमेशः तु तिष्ठति. The children play. Children are playing, but Ramesh is standing.
Okay.
Aham atra pathami. Malika tatra pathati. I read here. I study here. The girl studies there.
Okay.
Balika atra pathanti. Balakaः atra pathanti athava likhanti. The boys read here or write. अध्यापकः एव पाठं पाठयन्ति. The teacher only teaches the lesson.
Very good. One more student can read with meaning. Yeah. One more student can read with the meaning.
Srinis, you can read.
meaning எனக்கு தெரியாது. மீனிங்
தெரியாதா? ட்ரை பண்ணு. சரி ட்ரை பண்ணு.
सुरेखा लिखति. सुरेशः अपि लिखति. सुरेखा எழுதுறா. सुरेशः எழுதுறா. छात्राः खेलन्ति. रमेशः तु तिष्ठति. गर्ल्स விளையாடுறாங்க. ரமேஷः திஷ்டதிக்கு மீனிங் என்ன?
திஷ்டதி ஸ்டாண்டிங்.
ரமேஷ் வந்து நிக்கிறான். அஹம் அத்ர பட்டாமி. बालकः तत्र पठति. நான் எங்க படிக்கிறேன்? गर्ल्स बालकाः अत्र पठन्ति. अत्र लिखन्ति. बालकः गर्ल्स வந்து
बालकाः it's not girls, boys together and both
boys இங்க படிக்கிறாங்க. அப்புறம் अध्यापकः एव पाठं पठन्ति. டீச்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் வந்து லெசன் சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க.
Correct. Very good. Shall we go next or we'll stop here? Swami, time இருக்கா?
Again, time
பண்ணலாம்.
இன்னொரு 5 minutes பண்ணலாம்.
சரி பண்ணுவோம்.
இன்னொரு 3 பேர் இருக்கா இப்போ வாலண்டியர் பண்ணிருக்கவா?
அடுத்தது பண்ணட்டுமா?
அடுத்தது பண்ணலாம்.
एकदा once. Okay. इदानीं now. cha and na not. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Adhuna now. Okay. Ataha so. Okay. Ekada once. Idanim now. Cha and na not. Adhuna now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 sentences. 6 illa. Which one is not there? Idani. Okay, cha is there. Okay. No. Okay. Twice. No. Okay. Okay. Ataha. Okay. Dash tvam dhavasi. You run. So what will be the answer? Okay. Tvam dhavasi. You run. So which one will be the suitable answer? Dash vayam Dilli nagaram agachama. Agachama means went. Agachama means went. Okay. So what will come here? Chhatraha asatyam dash vadanti. Chhatraha, students. Asatyam, lie. Vadanti, speak. Students speak lie. So what will come here? Vayam Dilli nagaram agachama. We went to Delhi. Vayam, we all. Dilli nagaram, to Delhi. Agachama, went. It is past tense. Okay. Then Puja Mala dash. Tatra Chitram Pashyataha. Puja Mala. There are two students. Puja Mala. Tatra. There. Chitram Pashyataha. They watch movie or they see the picture. Aham Rugnaha. I am sick. Aham Rugnaha. I am sick. Dash Vidyalayam na agachami. Vidyalayam, to school. Na, not. Agachami, come. Okay. Aham is understood here. Aham Rugnaha. Dash Vidyalayam na agachami. Okay. I don't come to school. So what will come here? What is missing here? Anybody can guess, or I should read once again? Okay, let us see. Tvam dhavasi. What may be the answer? You run.
Again? Ekada tvam dhavasi.
No. Ekada is for second. Once we went to Delhi.
Adhuna tvam dhavasi.
Very good. Correct answer. Very good. Uttama. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. And number 2 I have told. You already said. Okay. Ekada. Okay. Now Chhatraha asatyam.
Satvik, do you want to try?
Anybody want to try?
Again, Chhatraha asatyam.
What is left now? See, Ekada is over. Adhuna, asatyam what? Asatyam means lie. You want to say and, you want to say not, you want to say so.
Cha.
I type the answer. Na vadanti. Students don't speak lie.
Okay, again.
Na. Na means not. Okay. Next. Puja mala. Puja mala. What is missing there? Anybody?
Adiyan.
Shraddha, you can go.
Shraddha.
Puja mala.
Only two answers are there now left. Cha is there, Ataha is there. What is the meaning of cha?
Cha. And.
What will come? What will come? Cha.
Cha.
Puja mala cha. Puja and mala. And will come afterwards in Sanskrit.
Adiyan. Okay.
Okay.
Adiyan,
Now,
if Shravan next one answer pannalama.
Sollatom. Shravan sollatom. What will come last? Only one word is missing now. That is Ataha. Now read. Now read the sentences. All of you with the meaning. One by one. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. Meaning.
Again, now I run.
Now you run.
Okay.
Then, Vinata, do you want to read? Vinata, Sudarshan, Sri Hari, any of you, if you want to read, you can read. Samakya.
Adiyan படிக்கலாமா?
படிக்கலாமா?
Adiyan. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. Na once நீ run பண்ற. ஏகதா vayam
ekada vayam
Delhi nagaram
agachama. Agachama means went. Agachama means went.
Sorry, adhuna tvam avasi. Now you run. Ekada vayam Delhi nagaram agachama is once we went to Delhi.
Okay.
Chatraha asatyam na vadanti. Students don't tell lies. Puja mala cha tatra chitram pashyataha.
Very good.
Pashyataha. Puja and mala. Again, pashyataha na enna?
See. Pashyati, pashyataha.
Chitram pashyataha na enna?
Chitram na a photo or movie. Both are accepted. Okay.
Puja and mala both see a photo.
Yeah, correct. Very good. Next.
Again.
Continue. No, one more sentence.
Aham vruranaha.
Aham rugnaha.
अतः विद्यालयं न
गच्छामि
आगच्छामि I am sick அதனால I did not go to school.
Correct.
அடியேன் தன்யாஸ்மி.
Okay, தன்யாஸ்மி. சுவாமி யாரனா இருக்கா படிக்கிறதுக்கு?
அடியேன் இருக்கா ஒரு எபிசோட். So last round whoever read Vinata, Srihari, anyone of you would like to read again? Archit, Meghna, Varada Vishnu. If anyone wants to read, please. Otherwise, Shraddha or Aditya can read because you have volunteered.
Again, படிக்கலாமா?
படிக்கலாமா? ரண்ணா படிமா.
Okay, Adiyan. अधुना त्वं धावसि. एकदा वयं दिल्ली नगरम् अगच्छाम. छात्राः असत्यं न वदन्ति. पूजामाला च तत्र चित्रं पश्यतः.
Very good.
अहं रुग्णः अतः विद्यालयं न आगच्छामि.
Gachami means go. Gachami means go. Agachami means come.
Okay, Adiyan. Adiyan धन्यास्मि. Adiyan Shravan படிக்கலாமா?
தாராளமா படிமா.
One second, I think Aditya கேட்டிருந்தா. எவ்வளவு பேர் படிக்கலாம் Adiyan? டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஆமா நிறைய டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுல. நாளைக்கு பண்ணிக்கலாம். திரும்பி இத பண்ணலாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல. Adiyan.
Okay, Adiyan. धन्यास्मि.
धन्यवाद. ஏன்னா query இருந்தா கூட அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல பாத்துக்கலாம்.
Adiyan. இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் வேணா Adiyan இது பண்ணா
இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் அனுப்பிச்சுறேன்.
So we will post this document on on Telegram. So எல்லாரும் வந்து we request you to just go through this and read and practice, and next class we can probably continue once again reading the same thing. Adiyan मुचुल्ला Adiyan.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.